In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make wavy texts in Canva. This simple yet effective technique will bring a dynamic flair to your designs, making your text more engaging and visually appealing. To begin, open up your Canva project and select the text you wish to apply this wavy effect to. Simply click on the text box within your design. This is your starting point as it helps Canva recognize that you're about to make changes specifically to that text element. Next, direct your attention to the top toolbar of Canva where you will find the Effects option. Click on Effects. A selection of text styling options will unfold before you. The Effects feature offers a variety of ways to transform your text, but for today, we're focusing on the wavy or curved text effect. Within the Effects menu, look for the Curve option. This feature is precisely what we need to create an arched text line. Click on Curve and watch as your text immediately takes on a new curved shape. It's a straightforward transformation, but we're not done yet. Notice the slider that appears, allowing you to adjust the degree of the curve. Initially, the curve might be quite subtle, but you can enhance it. Move this slider to the right and set the curve number to 51. Doing so ensures that your text forms a pronounced wave, adding depth and character to what may have otherwise been plain typography. Once you've achieved this curvature, it's time to duplicate the text. Duplicate the text box by right-clicking on it and selecting the duplicate option. This step allows us to create a mirrored effect, adding a layer of complexity to the design. Now let's tweak this duplicated text. Select it and adjust the curve again. This time, set the curve number to -51. By doing so, the text will curve in the opposite direction, complementing the original text